Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm at another car meet. It's hosted by Unbranded U.K, which is a new club that's been started in the South Coast region. So what we're going to do is check out a few cars, and I'm going to try to grab a few more people and see if I can talk about their car, talk about their build, and let's see what we get really. So yeah, let's get it. So I've got Chris with me. He's going to talk to me about his coupe. So yeah, let's go on with it. So what kind of mods have you done so far with the car?
So far I've done obviously the paintwork, so it's a full body respray airbrush, which was done by Beck's Airbrushing in Winchester. The paintwork's done for, like, it was for my brother's 10-year anniversary, the day he died in Afghan. I thought I need to do something big for it. What could be bigger than a Royal Memorial? And obviously I've come to looking for the car that I wanted to do it on. But I wanted a car that wasn't seen a lot in the car scene, and obviously the Hyundai Coupes, they're not really, you don't see them much. So I thought nothing better than to do that. Nothing better than picking them. I said I like the way they look. You don't see them much, so when you do see it, it doesn't get mistaken for anyone else's. Mod wise, apart from that, so obviously I put the WRX STI splitter on the front. I've painted under the engine bay. So obviously
really unique.
Complete. So obviously I put a cold air intake in it. Can't do much to the engines because they're non-mappable.
Okay, so you haven't mapped
so I haven't mapped it or anything like that, so it's stock.
So what kind of power do they produce from the factory?
170 brake, roughly.
Yep.
Obviously I've had a new exhaust on it, so I'll probably be running about an extra 10 brake horsepower through it. There's not much. Apart from that, really, I haven't really done much on mod wise because it's due to go into a company called Old Bones Fabrication, where it's getting about a 35 grand bill put on it.
Yeah, it's quite a bit, isn't it? So talk us through it. What kind of stuff is going to get done?
So the V6 is coming out, and an LS1 with a fast road cams going in. Should be running around about 450 to 500 brake by the time they're done with it. Because it's a front wheel drive car, we're also having to do a rear wheel drive conversion, so it'll have a BMW rear end in it, axle and stuff like that. I'll have to relocate the fuel tank, which will go into a fuel cell in the boot. So once all that's done, I've been given a price of about 35 grand by the time I finish.
That's over what, five years, is it?
No, 2.
2 years. Sorry.
2 years, yeah. So it's going in July, August next year, and then as soon as it goes in, that's it done then. For about 15 months after that.
Thank you very much, Chris. So I'm going to take some shots and see how we get on.